Hello! We drove on Highway 101 south of San Jose near Gilroy so many times, and did not realize that very close, right behind the mountains east from the highway, there is a real hidden gem called Coyote Lake. The official name of the place is Coyote Lake Harvey Bear Ranch County Park. We were lucky to get there early April, probably the best time of the year, when the grass is young and vividly green. In addition to huge parking lot at the boat launching ramp, this park has many picnic areas and campground sites for tents and RVs. At the north end of a 3.5-mile-long lake, there's a dam, which is actually the reason why the lake exists in the first place. The dam was built in 1936 and belongs to the Santa Clara Valley Water District. Fishing, boating, and kayaking is clearly part of the fun here. Judging from the size of this fish decoy, or we can call it a soft lure, one can expect fish to be quite large here. Nevertheless, we did not stay near the water for a long time because we were attracted by the green hills covered with wildflowers and decided to hike along the ridge. After parking our car on the largest parking lot near the boat ramp, we crossed the road and ventured through the cattle gate into the sea of grass. We took the short Ohlone Trail uphill, then turned left and started to follow Valley Oak Trail, while walking south along the sunny hill and through the shady oak forest up to the top of the ridge. Then we turned right on the campground trail, quickly reached the top of the ridge, and turned north on Coyote Ridge Trail. The weather was nice and the views were gorgeous, especially on the top of the mountains. We saw farms and houses, even the highway near Gilroy. This grass will be golden brown in a few months and the heat will build up for sure, but for now, let us enjoy the greenery. The wildlife is abundant and easy to spot. Visitors report seeing a black-tailed deer, bobcats, even wild boars. Over 200 species of birds. We did not see the wild pigs, despite there were signs of digging under the oak trees. But we had a great time exploring animal tracks on the trails. You can easily spot deer munching the grass or a wild turkey hiding in the bushes. These standalone ancient oak trees look quite beautiful on the hills covered with grasses. Did you know that at least 18 different species of oak tree can be found in California? The fruits of forest trees like acorns are called mast, M-A-S-T. This old word mostly refers to the fruits on the ground. The wild pigs are known for loving to gorge on such food, but for wild turkeys, it's also a quite important food source. Oaks can live for a few hundred years. These giants look like they may have seen the pre-contact times, before the white settlers took over the land. I'm convinced that these standalone trees were actually planted by Native Americans from local tribes, known for their skills in the land management. The park has 3 entrances: Coyote Lake, Bear Ranch, and Mendoza Ranch. The last one has a small parking lot outside. If you do not care about the access to the lake or picnic areas and are only interested in hiking, you can try this one. I believe parking there is free. The park welcomes not only hikers but joggers, dog walkers, off-road bicyclists, and horse riders. We will definitely return. There is much more to see. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see links below for more information on this park. Good luck!